All right, this is break ID number 656. 2016-17 Select Basketball 2-box break. This one has 2 fillers. Each one of these fillers, the winner of each of these fillers gets 3 spots in 656. Should be next week, David. I can't believe haven't heard back yet, but once I do, it's 2 days, and it should be next week. Brad, that is tonight. So here's the first filler. Here are the people in it. Jason and Miles. And let's random it. I think there's 4 or 5 left in that filler. I mean in that mixer. That $5. So that should easily go. Miles, KY. So Miles gets 3 spots in 656. Let me put those in. All right. And the next one, number 2, Isaac and Michael. And randomize it. Jeez. No apologies necessary. Isaac, RH, gets 3 spots in 656. So let me put him in there. All right, so here is the alphabetical list. And let's randomize it 3 times on each side. Yeah, that was a... You and I want to start doing math, David? We'll just stick with low odds. Definitely nice on the low odds. All right, and there are your teams. Who else is here besides Brad and David and Isaac? All right, here we go. Box 1. Hey, Robert, Evan. You didn't need to say waving. I saw you waving. That's not creepy at all. Demetrius Jackson Prism. Yeah, a little bit. Reggie Jackson Prism. Tricolor Prism. Paul Gasol. All right. First relic, actually first die cut also is Chris Dunn. That's out of 199. Blue die cut. To the Timberwolves. Miles, KY. And Derek Favors. Orange jersey. That is short print 50 out of 60. The orange parallel to the Jazz. Miles, KY. I can't. Ben Simmons rookie. Miles, are you here? I like Miles. Miles, let me know if you're here. Brooke Lopez tricolor prism. Karl Anthony Towns prism. Used to have a guy, I can't remember his first name, but his last name was Fuller. So it was always FU. Made it real hard not to laugh. Ish Smith to 175. I know. Jeremy Lin prism. And short print auto, Steven Zimmerman. That is 9 of 25 on card. On card scribble. It's a prescription. Dr. Zimmerman. Dr. Zimmerman to the Magic. Sean, M.O. Take 9 of them 3 times a day. Another Simmons rookie. Looking forward to Optic basketball tonight. Some crazy rookies and parallels in there. Damian Lillard prism. Blue prism, Eric Bledsoe to 299. Bobby Portis. Damian Lillard jersey. To Portland, Jason, J.O. Blake Griffin prism. All right, that's it for that box. Box 2. Drew's brother, yes. Drew, who now runs a winery out of his home in upstate Washington State. Malik Beasley. Willie Cauley-Stein, tricolor prism. Jabari Parker. Walla, yeah, that sounds right. Walla Walla. Zaza Pachulia to $2.99. Sheldon McClellan. And nice dual jersey, Carmelo Anthony and Kristaps Porzingis. That is to the Knicks. Isaac R.H. I'd like to say I've been practicing, but that would be a lie. Just getting lucky. That's not the case either. Purple die cut, Nikola Vucevic. 28 of 99. And Darren Williams, throwback jersey, and that is bronze parallel to 49. To the Nets. Sean, M.O. Variation. DeJounte Murray, his cards are flying. Not necessarily this one. This is just a prism parallel, but we pulled a quartz cornerstone out of Grand Reserve last Sunday. It was actually a redemption, sold for $212. And Georgios Papagiannis die cut auto. That is a parallel also to 199. To the Kings. Jason, J.O. Taj Gibson. 4 packs left. Mario Hezonja, tricolor prism. Brooke Lopez. Gold in there. Georges Niang. 10 of 10 gold. To Indiana. Miles, KY. Last pack. Dwight Powell. And another Ben Simmons. All right, that's it for that one. Just give me a minute.